Is this the biggest home you can get with $1 million in Austin, Texas? Stay tuned. Welcome to the Austin City Brothers YouTube channel. My name is Mirshad Afshar. If this is your first time in this channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. This channel, we drop weekly videos to inform you about the best of Austin's real estate. So click that subscribe button so you do not miss on any other videos. So behind me, we have the Liano floor plan by Schott Felder Homes, which is a top builder in Texas and nationally. The location of this home is in Pflugerville, which is a suburb of North Austin, and the master plan community is called Blackhawks. We actually have a video that you can check out about Blackhawk and learn more about this community as well. So this home is just over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and of course the 3-car garage. It has a very good look to it, at least I like it. So let's go take a look and find out what's inside. All right, Austin City Brothers family, let's go and take a look at this beautiful home. If you are thinking about relocating to the Austin, Texas area, please consider going to our website, austincitybrothers.com. That's where you can have a home search and then also schedule a one-on-one with our team. All right, so as we can see, a nice front porch. Exterior is Texas limestone. Beautiful Pflugerville. Upgraded 8-foot door. You're welcome. So to our right, we have a formal dining. And to the left, your office. As we proceed, let's peek at that nice kitchen. Vaulted ceilings, beautiful space for the living room. You got the half bath right there for your guests and a coat closet. Very thoughtfully designed. As you can see, we have floor to ceiling cabinets, which gives you a lot more cabinet space. Some of you might have a question, what the hell is this thing? It's a pot filler, so there's I'm not gonna open it up right now, but if you want to make some pasta or you just want to fill your pots without having to move it from the sink to here, well, you have water available. A nice large 5-burner with big roomy drawers. This home has over $250,000 in upgrade. That is a single sink, which is becoming very, very popular. Fancy faucet. A dedicated garbage bin. and some extra space. This will be your breakfast nook, and probably you'll have your Sunday brunches. Look at that openness. And then that huge Texas size back porch with sliding glass doors that just welcomes all the natural light you can ask for. Take a look at the back yard and the back side of the home. See how this big baby looks from the back. We do have a connection for gas, and also electricity. You can see the built-in wires. So when you mount your TV, you don't see any wires just hanging out. Now, time for the master. Great size master with the access to the backyard. You gotta check out this bathroom. Look at that tile. Standing tub, double vanity, his and hers, and a dedicated shower. Right, let's go to the closet. Enough space if you don't have a world of clothes, but you have decent size. The cool thing is the laundry is right here and it's connected. That's nice. Custom tile. And this is the little mudroom area that is connected to the garage. Three-car garage. Schott Felder is a top builder. As you can see, they finish their garages just the way they do finish the inside of the homes. The home does have a full-on irrigation system, front and back, with Honeywell thermostat. All right, you guys are ready to go upstairs? How about we take one more look at that beautiful kitchen? Look at that. Let's go up. This is your game room. To the right, where most of the bedrooms are. It's the view from this angle. Let's go take a look on this side. We have a media room. Good size to have at least, 10, 12 kids watching some movies. A full bath. And one of the bedrooms. Let me know how you like the flow of this home. It's when you imagine it with furniture in, it gets a little bit more interesting than what it is right now, but definitely an interesting flow throughout. This room is with hardwood floors. Here's a little sneak peek to the foyer. Good lighting, honestly. And this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Let's take a look at the view of this home. Closet. A full bath with a double vanity. And the final bedroom. All right, let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video of the Liano floor plan all the way to the end with me. Really appreciate your time. If you are thinking about relocating to the Austin, Texas area and would like to have a conversation with me and Artemis and our team, here's our contact information. You can also go down to our website where you can schedule a direct one-on-one consultation, 45 minutes free of charge, to go over your situation and give you all the information you need in order to make the right move. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.